Paul VI preaching that man is God. Paul VI message December 20th, 1968. We live in the era of hope. It is, however, a hope in the kingdom of this earth, a hope in human self-sufficiency. According to Paul VI, the hope is not in God or his kingdom, but in human self-sufficiency. Paul VI General Audience, August 16th, 1972. Man is master of himself. He is free who is the cause of himself. Man is not the cause of himself. God creates man. Paul VI speech, September 12, 1970. The only word which explains man is God himself made man, the Word made flesh. This clearly means that man is God himself made man, our Lord Jesus Christ. Pope Pius X, E Supremi Apostolatus, October 4, 1903. The distinguishing mark of Antichrist. Man has with infinite temerity put himself in the place of God. Other changes made by Paul VI. On November 13, 1964, Paul VI gave away the Triple Crown Papal Tiara. Paul VI had the tiara auctioned at the New York World's Fair. The Papal Tiara is a sign of a true Pope's authority, the three crowns representing the dogmatic, liturgical, and disciplinary authority of a Pope. By giving it away, Paul VI was symbolically giving away the authority of the papacy, although he had none to give away since he was actually an anti-pope. But it was a symbolic act of how he was a satanic infiltrator, whose whole mission was to attempt to destroy the Catholic Church. Paul VI was also seen many times wearing the breastplate of the ephod, also known